My people, welcome to today's gist. This one na about Nollywood actor Alex Okubo and him fiance. E be like say trailer don jam in between these two couple because as we dey hear am now, something don dey go down between them. For most of una wey no know, this guy proposed to him fiance Fancy, abi na wetin be her name, some months back and since then these people no even let us rest for Instagram. Na so they go dey post their love life. They no go let single people rest. Now, so today they go to do question and answer to the fact wey be say these two people can't even create IGM lovers page for themselves. But as e be, I no can know wetin can cause the wahala between them because e be like say one big wahala don dey shele between them. As e be, this lady Fancy, she don't even unfollow Alex. Secondly, she don't even call off the marriage. Thirdly, she don't even delete their lovers page. Hey, e be like say this wahala na big one. Because this whole thing, she dey always post am for social media. Now, so two of them go to chop love, chop love. This why be say this lady come decide say she go delete everything. Now, wetin come make me the reason say e be like say this guy don't go commit one kind of offense. I no go surprise say this guy don't notice say this guy don't chop the whole Lagos and Abuja babe. Now here she come realize and say, this boy what they follow na player. Maybe that wetin come make her decide say now she won't tire. But I beg, relationship will never even start. I been a marriage, you never start. Breakup don't they enter. I beg all these celebrities. Why be so on her life just dey like this? Una no go start relationship. Another thing go don dey enter. Today una go dey happy. Post say na dey happy. Tomorrow na another wahala we go dey hear. And e be like say this Nollywood e be like say they don swear give on. Because you never even finish P-Square matter. Another one now don dey come out. E be like say this year bad luck dey follow una. Una suppose go pray because something dey follow this industry. Bad things don dey happen for this place too much. And I beg, I don't dey advise say most of these celeb, if na one date, make na dey keep am private. I surprised say Alex keep this relation, he keep am private thing so. Only for him to wan come marry, he come decide say they want dey make her expose, they want dey expose am. Now again, now in village people now come decide say this one you no go work. I sure say na wetin make these village people now come decide say they go break this relationship. But if say na don keep am private from the first start, keep everything on a low, I sure say this kind katakata wey dey happen now, e no go happen. But anyway, I hope say una too go settle this kind matter because me I know as I want to end am for una. And if you feel say maybe this guy no dey give you happiness, say good. Now your decision. If you want leave am, you leave am. But anyway, my people, I hear this story as make I bring am come, make na service na ear. Hear wetin dey happen. If una get anything to talk about am, make una write am inside the comment section. Make una stay tuned for the next video.